How to fix Discovery Plus black screen. To fix the Discovery Plus black screen error, first of all, force close the application and then proceed to power cycle your streaming device by unplugging it from the wall for 30 seconds or 60 seconds. Once you do this, you simply have to go ahead and then plug your cables back in and relaunch your streaming device and open Discovery Plus. Or what you can also do is reverse the direction of the cable and plug it firmly back into the ports and ensure it is pushed all the way into the socket. And also try moving the cable to a different port on your television. You can also try clearing the application's cache. You simply have to open your TV's setting application, then go to applications, then go to manage installed application option, select the Discovery Plus, then click the force stop and then click the clear cache. Once you do this, you simply have to relaunch it and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.